I'm Jeff Smith, and I'm here at FiTech Fuel Injection. We want to show you their new throttle body fuel injection system. Start off with this aluminum casting. It has, you have an option of either 4 injectors at 600 horsepower, or you can get 8 injectors, which will double it up to 1200 horsepower. There's several features on each of these throttle bodies. We'd like to go into detail on each one of them for you. Okay, there's 2 different configurations, either the Go EFI 4 or the Go EFI 8. The Go EFI 4 is available in either a tumbled or a black finish. The Go EFI 8 is available only in the black finish. The throttle body is very easily installed on any intake manifold flange. As you can see, it's configured for either a standard flange, a spread bore, or a 4500 Dominator style intake manifold. Just to give you some options when installing this system, there's actually 3 different inlets that you can choose from. In this particular configuration, it's set up, this is the inlet, this is the dedicated outlet, but you could plug this one off and use any of the 3 inlets. The system's designed to use a stainless polished throttle linkage, and there's also a boss right here on this side that'll allow you to run a cable linkage over and hook it up to the throttle linkage. Each of the throttle bodies comes with its own integrated fuel pressure regulator, which is non-adjustable. One of the great things about bolt-on throttle body systems is they're simple to install. This makes it even easier because the ECU is integrated right into the throttle body. And as you can see, here's your entire wiring harness system, your wideband O2 sensor, and the rest of your external wiring connections. One of the great features of this system too is you actually have 2 different outlets for both power brakes and PCV, and then you actually have ported vacuum if you're going to use that for vacuum advance on a distributor, and also manifold vacuum for possibly like a vacuum modulator valve. Here's a disassembled unit where you can see we have 4 injectors on this side. There'll be a matching 4 on this side for 8 injector. If it was a 4 unit, it would be drilled for just 4 with 2 on each side. All throttle body systems use a wideband O2 sensor. This is a system where you can install this very simply in your driveway. In fact, you don't even have to jack the car up. This stainless steel bung can be, with a drill hole in the exhaust, slip this gasket over, install it, and you're ready to go. And then later it could be welded on if you wanted to. This is the Go EFI Handheld, and you can see that it's a nice bright color screen. It's very intuitive to operate. It's either touch screen or you can move it with the stylus. It has data logging capability with 8 gigabytes of an SD card. There's also a pass-through that comes out the bottom here that will go to your laptop if you want to use it in that configuration. It's very easy. It's very intuitive to use. Data logging, all the features are right there, easy to use. The system is also fully configurable for a nitrous system, a single-stage nitrous system. All you have to have is a master switch to turn the system on. Everything else is integrated into the ECU. It's fully configurable and has a ton of safety features to keep you from getting in trouble. Right. One of the great features of this throttle body system is an angular discharge system that operates halfway down the throttle bore and integrates multiple fuel discharge holes for better atomization and better drivability. All Go EFI systems come without a fuel delivery system, so we're going to talk about the 2 different options that are available. The first option is the outside pump that mounts to the frame rail. This is a 255 liter per hour pump that's good to 750 horsepower. Then you have your billet filters, pre-filter and post-filter, along with the bracket and all the push lock connections that you need to make this complete, along with a -8 line for the inlet side of the pump and a -6 line for the outlet side that will go to the whole system. The second system is actually very slick. This is a self-contained system that uses your existing mechanical pump and your fuel delivery system up to the mechanical pump, and then inside this aluminum reservoir, which comes either black or highly polished in aluminum, you feed this system with the mechanical pump, and then this is a 340 liter per hour pump that's capable of doing over 1,000 horsepower and feeds directly through the filter and your push lock kits to the high pressure hose and into the throttle body. So this is a self-contained system that'll fit under your hood and works very well and is probably a lot simpler to install than any other of those systems. Installing the throttle body is just like installing a carburetor. It just slips right over studs on the carburetor, and then we can start bolting it down. Beauty of fuel injection is you get rid of all those hassles with the carburetor. You just bolt this thing on, and off idle stumble, especially with big camshafts, is eliminated. It really works well.